Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 8. Explain the importance of syngamy and meiosis in a sexual life cycle of an organism. Syngamy या fertilization, which is fusion of gametes, ये फॉर्म करते हैं zygote. Restore करते हैं क्रोमोसोम नंबर को, that is diploidy. It is also responsible for variations. Meiosis, on the other hand, produces haploid gametes in diploid organism. Diploid organism में meiosis होगी, haploid gametes फॉर्म होंगे. वेरिएशन कॉज करेगा अकर ड्यू टू क्रॉसिंग ओवर. ठीक है, वो किस में होगा? मेयोसिस में. सो दिस वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8.